Imagine I am at this boot camp where we have 102 men and only 28 women. Follow me, let's talk to my female colleagues. Let's find out what being a woman is like.
Hi.
So you are a software engineer?
Yeah.
In what stack?
I'm in Node.js.
So what's your salary expectation in the, let's say, like 2 years time?
At least, like the lowest, $1,500 a month.
Wow, see, nice one.
Yeah, but I'm expecting more than that. Maybe $3,000 to $5,000.
Wow, senior dev.
Yeah.
Hi Doris. So you're a software engineer?
Yes.
What stack?
.NET.
Okay. What's your salary expectation in the next, say, 2 years in dollars?
In dollars?
Yes.
Do I know the expected right now? Okay, from $3,000.